Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable or display Polylang language section in product pages in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we already installed Polylang plugin and then you see product pages. You don't see any language section. Now click on edit product. Now edit product open and also you don't see any language section, so we are going to enable it. On left side you see language and then you see setting, so open it. Now setting open and then you see custom post type setting, so click on it and then you see product, custom post type, product enable and then you see custom taxonomies, product categories, product tag, product shipping classes, so you can enable according to your requirement and then click on save changes. Now settings saved, go to edit product and refresh the page and now you see language section. We have two language. Now you see drop down, go to product page again and refresh the page. Now here you see also, go to categories, tags. Now you see language section again, go to tags, also you see back to setting, so click on this and enable these options. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.